Hello guys, for today's video we try to see what IPOs to look for, so stay tuned. Hello, my name is Abdelkarim Ramain. I am your trainer and coach, and for this video we try to see what IPO to look for. Now, I will give you two IPOs that are in the market now. One is little old and one it's a new, and then I will give you 4 future IPOs to look for. Okay? So let's go to the chart. I think you know Etsy. It's a very famous company, and it's always about handcrafts, about old things, and people who are into art, and they use Etsy to sell their stuff. Almost is handmade. So see this stock. It was $10 in April 2017. It means 2 years. 2 years from now. The stock was 10, now it is 68. So if you put $10,000, now you have $68,000. It's about 680% for 2 years. You will never see this in mini stocks. Okay? Now, why Etsy? Just look always for famous things, because this is where the momentum is. Now, the second one I give you is the one that we saw is Lyft. Now, Lyft, after 3 days down, now it is 2 days up. So we will never know. It continues up or it goes down. Okay? So these are two stocks that are in the market. Lyft is a very famous transportation peer-to-peer car, and it's the competitor of Uber. Okay, so let's now go to the other companies. We can say. So we have spoken about Etsy. Now we have Lyft, which is just this week. It means last Friday. And then incoming like end of April, beginning of May, we have Uber. Uber is 6 times or 7 times bigger than Lyft. And it should be a big deal in the stock market. Now, I can give you another one, which is called Airbnb. I think you have heard about Airbnb, which is when you are looking for where to rent for your vacation or for housing, you should use it. So it gives a very cheap discounted rooms all over the country and even in outside countries. Okay. Now in business we have Robinhood. Robinhood is a famous non-commission broker, and I know it's an app and most of you know about it. So this year it will be launched and as a PO, and we have Pinterest, which is the last thing that I can speak about. So so check, I just give you the names. So as you can see, Lyft, you know about it. And then we have Etsy. You know about it also because it's very famous. Okay. Now we have Lyft also. Etsy is 2 years ago. Okay. 2 years ago. And Lyft is just last Friday. Okay. Last Friday. And Uber next, and Airbnb, Robinhood, and Pinterest, it should be in the future in this 2019. So you should follow these kind of stocks when they are in the market and see if there is a trend. If there is a trend, it could be a very good opportunity to make money very fast. Now, why I always speak about the IPO? In my search that we use, you can specify, for example, 3 months IPO, or 6 months, or 1 year, or 5 years, or 6 years. IPOs that are beginning to have a trend. If you find one of those and you succeed, that is the big money. Yes, you risk your money, okay? And there are ways when it doesn't work, you should exit. Because here, I'm not speaking about investing in these companies. No. Here we are doing swing trading. Swing trading, it means when there is a trend, we buy. When there is no trend, we don't buy. So it's like opposite of investing. When you invest, it means you buy a stock, it goes up, it goes down, you leave it for many years in order to see if the company, you have chosen a good company that expands and makes and becomes bigger and bigger. For swing trading, like for the IPOs, we see just the trend. If there is something going up, we ride it. When it stops, we exit. As easy as this. Okay? So thank you very much for watching. Please, tomorrow, Friday, we have 10 p.m. Eastern Time. We have my session live. So if you are interested to come to have your questions, we will be speaking about my portfolios, about my investing portfolio, my swing trading portfolio. How do I work? How do I buy? How do I sell? What are the general thing that I should concentrate on? And it is a live portfolio. It means each one is $100,000, and I will explain more and more tomorrow for the live session. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe if you don't, and see you tomorrow. Thank you very much.